Hello and welcome to the weekly Crawford for Congress campaign update. I'm Rick Crawford. On the radar again this week, the debate continues in Washington over the potential nationalization of our healthcare system. There appears to be a sharp disconnect between Washington politicians and their constituents back home as to just how to handle healthcare reform, and that's particularly true here in Arkansas, according to recent poll data. TalkBusiness.net conducted a poll this week of 600 Arkansans on the national healthcare issue, and the results were not surprising to anyone, with the possible exception of some of our current congressional delegation in Washington who haven't completely woken up to what their constituents think or what's really going on. When asked if they were satisfied with their current health care insurance and coverage, a staggering 86% said they were either very satisfied or somewhat satisfied. In that same poll, 74% of respondents said they preferred a private insurance provider. These results are a strong indictment of those in Washington who believe health care reform means a federally run system. Respondents were also asked if they preferred a health care plan that raised taxes to pay for health care for all Americans, or a plan that does not raise taxes and keeps them at current levels but does not provide universal health care. Only 27% opted to raise taxes for a universal plan. 59% want to keep taxes at or below current levels and not provide a taxpayer-funded, nationalized system. No surprises here. The results of this poll indicate the people of Arkansas have a pretty good handle on how well our federal government would handle a nationally run healthcare system. Arkansans are tired of business as usual in Washington and want someone to represent them and their conservative values when it comes to issues like this and many others now being debated in Washington. Rest assured that as your 1st District representative, I would vote no straight down on any measure to nationalize health care. Look for a new campaign update each week on our website, YouTube channel, and Facebook page. And you can now follow our campaign on Twitter. Learn more by going to facebook.com/Crawford for Congress. Thanks for listening, and we'll have more from the Crawford for Congress campaign next week. Until then, I'm Rick Crawford, and I approve this message.